Hey guys, welcome to Doug Will Fix It. Unfortunately, Doug can't fix this one. We need to get some professional assistance. So what we're going to do is this instrument cluster is dead. The car fires up. You can see, look, if I fire it up. So it's running now. The car's sweet, running sweet, engine's running sweet. Everything's running sweet externally, mechanically. But the electronics are screwed because I have no idea. Look, all the lights are working outside. The hazards are on. But look, there's no response from there. Instrument cluster or the dash, all the dash lights, there's nothing. Even if I rev it, I don't know if you can hear that on camera, but the car's revving fine, but the actual cluster is dead. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this cluster and send it off to a set of experts. So here we have two torque screws. I'm gonna show you what they look like on the thing. So two of these, the star screws. This is the correct size at the moment. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this cluster from the car, and then I'm going to drop it off. They're basically clusterrepairs.co.uk. They're down the road from me, but you can post them your cluster from anywhere in the UK and they'll sort you out. They have a very fast turnaround. I spoke to them. They reckon if they can fix this cluster, which I hope, fingers crossed, they can, 100 quid to about 130 quid approximately to repair it, and then they'll send it. They'll let me know. I'll pick it up and then I'll put it back in. And hopefully everything will be sweet as a nut. Now, if the cluster is dead, which it looks like is dead, but they may be able to sort it out. If the coding information is gone or corrupted, then we're looking at a new cluster, which I have no idea. I mean, I've seen new clusters online on eBay for about 80-90 quid. But the issue is not the actual physical cluster, it's the recoding of that cluster to this car. So even here, look, you can see this. Look, I mean, the car, there's no time, nothing's been displayed. If I go to service stuff, info sources, blah 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 blah, you can see the car is all over the shop. Look, the status, there's no status, it's grayed out, so something's going down. Control messages, it's grayed out too. And this thing is like, it's just looking like the car's actually off, but it's running sweet. The car's actually drivable in its without knowing what speed you're doing, which I would never recommend you guys drive. So I'm going to take the cluster out and I'm going to drop it off in my dad's car with my dad. So he's going to take me down there. We're going to drop this bad boy off and hopefully I'll have it fixed in about 4 to 5 days. They're saying turnaround is 1 to 3 days, but because it's Friday, they're not going to start work till Monday. So let's get this thing out. I'm going to try and set this camera up so you guys can see what I'm doing. Now remember, there's two screws, one's up here, so let's turn this thing off. Let's put the steering wheel down a bit. Okay. Can you actually see what I'm doing now? So I'm just taking this off. Let me try and position the camera a little bit better. How about that? So there's two screws. I'm hoping this is as simple as I think it is. So there's these two torque screws. Oh my god, it's just a pain to do it one-handed. So give me a sec. Alright guys, so I've got the two screws out, one from here. Oh man, the steering wheel's in the way. So one from up here, one from up here. I'll try and get you a better view. There you go. One from here, one from here. And then I think we just need to just get a little flat screwdriver. Just pull this forward. Oh, Bob's your uncle. Here you go. How about that? It's come straight out. Going to move the steering wheel forwards a bit because this thing's, here we go, need a bit of space to get this done, you know. So you can see the cluster's out, so it's just two screws, but once you get it out, rest it on the steering wheel, and then there's a cable here somewhere. Can you see it? Where's my torch? I can't see it. Right here. So we need to disconnect, I mean, excuse the camera, you know, so there's that cable, it needs to be disconnected, right? Can you see it here? So that should be a matter of just unplugging it, really. There's only one cable, to be honest. So give me a sec. Alright, so you can see I've just positioned it a bit better, so you can see I need to disconnect this connector. So you just got to push this down. You got to push this little bit down and then pull this bit backward towards you. So down and back. You can see now, just push it towards you down. Disconnect it. It's done. Okay, so if I should just get this out. Just need some more space in the wheel. Oh my days, this thing's just, it's actually bigger than it looks. Let me drop the wheel down a bit to get a bit more space. Okay, now. How about now, son? How about now? Without messing up the steering wheel. Bam. Done. It's out. Let's have a look at the back. So they've got all the you can see it's made in Mexico by Siemens VDO. So one plug on the thing there. Any smell of burning? Not really. Got some diag information right there. And if you look at it now, if you look at the car, just a big empty space. So it's out. That's how you take it out. It's pretty straightforward. Couple of two screws, which I can show you again without losing them. So 2 of these, right, and the thing just slides out. So that's pretty cool. Cables out, and that's all a part of the video. I'm hoping to get it back soon and get it fixed. I hope there's nothing drastically wrong or some kind of other issue, man. Please don't let there be anything else. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Please sub the channel. Excuse the jumpiness of the video, but this is just real life for you. The videos are not supposed to be super duper fancy edited. They're supposed to show you the real difficulties of trying to film and take this stuff out in one go without messing things up too much. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out. Like, sub. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.